ABUS laminated padlocks have the rivets compressed not only on top of the rivets but inside of the first rivet, and that means if I shear them off, the lock will stay in shape. And you can see the top laminate is still in place. So the rivets are like countersunk inside of the top laminates, and where we have taken off the first laminate, you can see the lock is still entirely intact. So what we've got here is a corrosion test chamber, which is according to DIN German standards. And for you, we tested some padlocks here in the chamber, which we can see. The test runs in certain cycles, which also simulate proper conditions, meaning you have rain and then you have good weather, so it's cleaning up, it's drying up. And that's basically like a worst case scenario simulation. So this padlock here, 4140, has come out of a 1008 hours corrosion test, which is equivalent roughly to about 42 years of ordinary life. And you see some rust here. This is ordinary steel but Eterna plated, our special 4-layer plating, and you can see it operates very nicely, no problem. No lubricant has been added. This is just straight out of the corrosion test.